it is a really interesting study because for the first time we applied advanced MRI technique combined with genetical findings. The role of BDNF in the field of MS was not really so much studied over time. We know that there is a gene that contributes to brain plasticity, and it's really involved in the response against brain damage. And we started from this hypothesis to explore the role of BDNF polymorphism in MS patients. So some studies performed in other autoimmune disease demonstrated that BDNF in this particular condition may have a protective role against BDNF Val66Met polymorphism, may have a protective role against the disease-related damage. In a study, we started for this hypothesis, but the previous findings in the MS field were contrasting because some studies demonstrated that this polymorphism was protective, some other studies demonstrated that this polymorphism was not protective against brain damage. So some studies demonstrated that this polymorphism was associated with lower normalized brain volume. Other studies demonstrated that it was associated with higher gray matter volume. In line with these last findings, also in our study, we found a protective role of this polymorphism against the hippocampal damage. We focused on the hippocampus as BDNF is mainly involved in the mechanism of long-term potentiation that is that as a main substrate the hippocampal structure. So we focus on this specific structure to better explore the role of BDNF Val66 polymorphism in MS patients. Moreover, we also assessed not only the effect on the structural damage, but we also explore its role in determining cognitive performance in our patients. And we found, interestingly, that BDNF again was protective against cognitive decline, specifically based on visuospatial memory. We observed that this polymorphism was protective, and its protective role was based on protecting another protective role on the hippocampal structure. So hippocampal BDNF polymorphism, we think that is protective against damage on the hippocampal structure, and again this protection guaranteed to MS patients a better cognitive performance, especially in the visuospatial memory.